In this video, I will show you how to change your Robinhood password. To do this, simply going to open up Robinhood, and what you want to do is go to your profile by clicking on your profile icon in the bottom right. And from there in the top left, click on the three lines, and here you want to then go to security and privacy, and then here you will find your password, so go and click on it. And then here you can update your password. So there are basically two options. If you know what it is right now, just enter your current password and then enter your new password and confirm it, and then click submit in the bottom. If you don't know what your password currently is, simply gonna click forgot password, and then it will show your email address. Simply click on send email, then it will send you an email with password reset instructions. So if you know it, enter what it currently is and then your new one. If you don't know what it currently is, click forgot password. You can also do that at login if you are not currently signed into your account, and then they will send you an email where you can reset your password. So now you know how to change your Robinhood password. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.